Aaron's the one that broke the door, I bet, dude. Come on, dude.
Ready to go?
Yeah?
What's going on right now?
Yeah, thank you again.
I'm gonna go shopping for Kimmy's.
You're gonna go
Taking Marco with me. Allie finished all the cards, so I don't know what you want her to do. The boss today, dude. Hey, lead him. Lead him today. His nipples are sensitive?
Dude, that one still hurts. Shut up. I didn't tell you. I was standing on this tire. I had the pressure washer in my hand. Fell backwards. It fell against my chest.
The only pointy one.
I pulled it and I pinched my nipples so hard.
It's the only pointy one.
Shut up, dude. It still hurts.
Heater morning, AC afternoon time. Why do I need AC? Well, because we got the mic rolling. I don't want to roll down the windows. I'm the type of person I'll roll down the windows as much as possible.
Yeah, same. I say I rarely ever use AC.
Are you lying to me? Because you don't have AC.
No, I didn't have AC. In my last car, I didn't have AC. But now I do have AC.
You trying to be all cool now, huh?
You're just trying to relate to me?
I gotta get some Kimmy Wimmies. Go to Auto Envy, my favorite store. Actually, the only chemical store I go to. Everybody tells me to go to Shine Supply. Everybody's on like that Shine Supply game. And I'm saying thanks, but no thanks. Just because I'm loyal to the guilds, you know? And, you know, it's all the same product.
Yeah, they're tripping.
Yeah, and I'm really good friends with Anthony. I love Anthony.
We've been trying to get him on the podcast for a minute, huh?
We are gonna get him on Sunday the 30th,
Sick.
which I'm stoked for. I feel like we were talking for a bit. I really thought we were gonna talk much longer with Aaron.
Dude, that podcast was like almost an hour and a half.
I thought it was gonna be longer. I thought it was gonna be one of those 3-hour podcasts where we're just hanging out. But I think if we had food and snacks and drinks, we could just been there forever.
That takes so long to export. I'm just thinking about that. I'm like, oh man.
Anyways, oh, they got a ring. Look at Auto Envy stepping up. What's up, guys? What's up? New stuff. When did I hear about this?
You probably wouldn't use it. We had to surprise you. It's more retail grade.
Car wash, shampoo, concentrate. That's just wash soap.
What's up?
This is just wash soap, right?
Yeah, traditional just wash up, like more economic.
It's just Avalanche?
What's up?
Is it just like Avalanche or?
No, it's less concentrated, so it's not as high concentrated, not as such. So that's why I say it's more like retail grade.
How many Avalanches do you guys have?
Whatever's right there. Well, I mean, we have more at the warehouse. But.
Okay. What's this?
That's like the next day show right next to it, except that's an already diluted formula.
Oh, ready to use.
That's what the RTU stands for.
Big brain stuff. Big brain stuff. Why is it a different color though?
We just changed it so that people wouldn't get confused about it.
Good, because I was confused. Fair enough, fair enough.
Yeah, because initially we wanted to do it the same color, and then our blender actually messed up the color. It was like way too light. It looked like a milky white.
Oh, okay.
And we were just like, yeah, we'll change the color on that.
Fair enough. Okay, yeah. Looking at stuff I don't need. They're stiff. I'm looking at towels, I don't need them. I just like looking at them. It's so colorful. Look at that colorful thing. It just makes me happy. Oh, bug cleaner. Do you have 5-gallon bug cleaner?
Bug cleaner? Yeah. Bug cleaner, yeah.
I knew that.
They all look the same.
Yeah, I know orange and bug. You know, I didn't try the beat it up. It wasn't that great.
Yeah, it's not the greatest. We kind of brought it in just because we had a
It smears a ton.
We actually didn't even bring it in. We literally brought it here towards the summer.
Yeah.
It's
technically, yeah.
It smells delicious,
Oh yeah, it's like a banana scent, right?
like pina colada or something, but
Oh, is it
it
pina colada?
is beated a shit ton, or smeared a shit ton. It was like, I tried, guys. I really wanted to. I tried.
Well, that's what we did. Is Anthony had tested it against Polymer a long time ago, and that's why we like never.
Yeah. We're like, please don't send it. Let me grab 2 of these.
It's gonna be 3/8
3/8
QC
with the mail-in.
coupler mail. Yeah.
How much are these? Like $1 gajillion, aren't they?
Each one $9.49.
Yeah.
It's $10 each.
It's close to a gajillion.
Well, I got 2 of them, so $2 gajillion.
Jillian, there you go.
What do I need to do? What do I need to do? How many did you grab?
3.
3.
How much are these?
My
voice just cracked. My voice like squeaked.
I didn't want to say anything. How much are these?
Is anything on sale?
Just like the stuff up front, but it's like mostly disinfecting, like cleaner and stuff like that.
Oh, can I get contact labels?
We actually don't have our labels in here anymore.
I could drop them off for you tomorrow. How many do you need?
Like 10.
10? Yeah, for sure. I got you.
Yeah, so let me make a note of it real quick.
Yeah, it kind of tells you that.
Smells like an old lady. Smell it.
Yeah, it's more of like a seasonal.
Yeah.
Like an old lady.
That's like my grandma's house.
Yeah.
It's like my grandma's bathroom.
For which one?
Have you smelled this? Tell me, does it smell like an old lady?
Oh, it's the cinnamon scent, huh?
Old lady.
Yeah, old lady.
It smells like, you ever been to, what is it, Michael's?
Ah, there we
Yeah.
go. Damn, you're good. That's cinnamon.
That's right on there, huh?
That's
Dude, that's like a game to play. Like you could just go around sniffing all the bottles and
Yeah?
damn.
it
He's
reminds
good.
me of this.
You fucking called it. You said Michael.
Yeah.
Joanne's at no. Even Joanne smells a little bit cleaner.
Yeah,
This one
that's it.
smells like that cinnamon. You know they have all the decorations that
Yeah.
have cinnamon on it,
Like the fucking.
but it's like a wood cinnamon,
Yeah, it's like
like an oaky cinnamon.
yeah.
like the pine decorations you'd put like in the
There we
front
go.
of your house or
Yeah,
potpourri or some shit.
That's actually not the scent that it's supposed to be. That was the, it's the demo
We're
scent
ready with
that
it,
they...
dude. It's a seasonal scent.
Yeah, there we go, yeah.
If you want to start your business, buy your shit in bulk, and don't worry about buying too much, not using it. If you have too much, then your next focus should be getting busier, so you have to use it. You know, does that make sense? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like that was my idea. It's like I have so much chemicals, like shit. It's like I have to use them all.
Yeah, it's
so
like
that kept me in
incentive to
business.
hustle.
Yeah, that kept me in business because there's so many times where I just like this is bullshit. Like I'm not gonna make money right now. Like I don't think I'm gonna make it, dog. You know what I mean? Like I'm going downhill from here. But I had so many chemicals and I was like I have to use this up. And then because I stayed in the game, it led me to more momentum. You know, when I use up all my chemicals, I gotta buy some more. And then just repeat the process over and over and over again. And then all of a sudden it's like, we're good to go. You know what I mean? You know, business is consistent. I have the chemicals that I need. And then you're also saving money when you're buying a bulk. So it's like, it literally is a hands-on win-win situation. Worst case scenario, you just sell the chemicals you don't use. I do it all the time. I have there's a lot of details just like, hey, Lon, you want to buy my chemicals? I'm like, yep. I'll buy it off of you. Like, I don't care. So before the business, I did a lot of personal development. How to grow myself, how to think better, how to do better business, how to talk to people, how to become happier. All those things I really dug real deep for years before I started the business. So when I started the business, it was easy. Just I hit the ground running. I was solid. I was ready to go. But then I was so focused on business, I stopped growing, and now I've plateaued. I don't know how to get over this hump type deal.